if they struggle financially na either because you no get the information on time say what the right thing wey you go do to get money, or you no still get the information. But some people wey no get the information on time, they don already dey the right track but they never begin the cash out steady, but they no dey like people wey no even know wetin dem suppose do to get money. That's why you suppose to dey follow this page. If you follow this page for 1 month and you never get idea of wetin you go do to get money for Nigeria, then something is wrong somewhere. Now if you look behind me, na cashew tree dey this back. You know say currently for Nigeria, the two major challenge of farmers, the two major challenge I get now, one, people wey dey thief from the farm, and secondly, herdsmen wey dey destroy wetin person don suffer do. I remember in 2016, I go do 100 hectare of plantation. Thief no allow me harvest even one bunch. But that time when I don set the farm finish, I come dey calculate say, between now and the next 2 years, I go dey get at least 600,000 naira every year. By now sef suppose to dey make like maybe 2 million, because when you plant plantain, when that one go mature, you cut am, na like 4 go come out from that place, so the farm go dey expand. But I no even harvest single bunch because of the way people dey thief am. Now if you plant cashew tree, no say all this while now dey do vegetable, I dey do grains, now I don dey tree crop now. If you plant cashew tree, no herdsmen go come destroy the farmland. No herdsmen. Wetin herdsmen wan do with cashew tree wey dem go come dey destroy am? Abi dem go dey use cutlass dey cut the thing? No, you don dey free from herdsmen. Then number 2, the only thing wey go appeal during the time of when the thing don dey fruit, from that November, December, January, when the thing don dey produce well, your own na to put one security person, and the work of the security person no be to catch thief o. Na to dey tell people wey dey around say any person wey wan pick the cashew fruit, make e help you drop the seed somewhere. Finish o, make you dey drop the seed somewhere. If you do like that, this place behind me na 7 cashew trees na dey here. From these 7 cashew trees, me sef the one wey I pack during the season e still dey house. E still dey inside room now. Maybe after this so only 7 go produce at least 250,000 naira if you manage am well every year. Then imagine say you get like 5 hectares of cashew tree or 10 hectares of cashew tree. Imagine how many million will come out of it. Now the update be this. Now you wey be politician or the business person, you carry your money go hide somewhere. Some dey put money for sockaway, some dey put money for instead of put your money for bank where inflation go wipe out the whole money. You know say you put like 10 million naira for your bank account for December last year. Now by this time now, your 10 million naira no reach 7 million again because of inflation. Instead of you to go put money for bank or carry money bury for sockaway, see this thing now. See am as e dey like this. Na dem full here now. You go harvest after 3 years of planting. You start to harvest. You go harvest, chop the money until your season go pass. Your children go come take over. They go chop the money till their season go pass. Then your children go come and take over. There is money in cashew business if you do am well. Now what of person wey no get money to get hectares of land and plant this thing? Na simple something. How you go take make money from cashew business? Number 1, just dey target that November, December. Na the season be that. As the thing don dey produce seed, just go buy the seed keep. The seed no need preservative. Once you don dry am, can stay for your house 1 year, no go spoil. It can even stay 2 years, e no go spoil. So once you don dry the seed, you go just keep am. Now wey the season of cashew don pass, now we dey in the month of August now. We go soon enter August now. Cashew season don pass, so the seed now, the price don come up. Na this time you go come dey sell your seed. You go make like times 3 of the money wey you use buy the seed. Follow this page, dey share this page to other people make dem come learn. Dey share the link, make people come follow this page make dem learn. wetin dem go do to get money from farm, either from tree crop o, or from vegetable, or from grains o, or from livestock, or from anywhere, or dem wan do aggregator for farm, make dem follow this page for more updates.
Start your virtual farming project today. We pay you 25% of your invested capital monthly for 12 months. Click on Activate button below now to invest.